If you love cars, this is your best, heaviest coffee table book you're ever going to find on advertising. It's called Classic Cars, 20th Century Classic Cars. They are 400 plus posters from the golden era of advertising, mostly in the USA. So come in and have a look inside. It's brand new from Taschen publications, and it's a decade by decade look at advertising. So the Buick, Michelin tyres, major manufacturers, historical events, right through to the thrifty VW Beetle, Chrysler, Pontiac and station wagons. These colourful print advertisements were from the Jim Heimann Collection, which of course began with the first assembly line car in 1908. So through bibliophilebooks.com, just £28.